In today's video, I'll be sharing with you a pre-selling condo project by Rockwell Land located in Bacolod City. So if you're looking for a condo in Bacolod, then check this video out and hit subscribe if you're liking content like this. I also have a home buying guide, your step-by-step guide to buying a property in the Philippines. If you would like a copy of that, send me an email so our team can email you a copy. Nara Residences by Rockwell is a 2-tower condo project built on 11 hectares of land with 80% open space that brings the signature of Rockwell to this side of Visayas. The promise of security and convenience are at the forefront while blending the design with the natural elements around. Rockwell's premier Bacolod property will boast scenic surroundings, a land blessed by nature. Embraced by magnificent mountains and blanketed by lush greens, Nara Residences is a sight to behold. The project is located in GM Cordova Avenue, Mandalagan, Bacolod City. The project is near Lacson Street, New Bacolod Silay International Airport, Queen of Mercy Hospital, Riverside Medical Hospital, Bacolod Government Center, and San Sebastian Cathedral. It's also near different malls and retail outlets such as Robinson's Place, Ayala Malls, Capital Central, SM City Bacolod, and also near schools such as St. Scholastica's Academy, University of St. La Salle Bacolod, and Colegio de San Agustin. So aside from the condo units, Rockwell will also be offering 110 lots ranging from 250 to 400 square meters. So buyers will have the option of getting either a condo unit or a lot and then build their own home. In addition to the sprawling amenities, tree-lined avenues complement the lush landscapes of this neighborhood. With an appreciation for nature, the development will preserve and maintain the beauty of the property's smooth and gradual slopes. At the center of this lush development are 2 residential buildings, Nara 1 and Nara 2, with 8 floors of living space and 2 floors for parking. Each building has only 128 units, so it's very low density to provide lavish space and utmost privacy for every family. We have 4 unit types available: studio units, which are at 37 to 39 square meters, 1-bedroom units, about 50 square meters, 2-bedroom units at 82 to 83 square meters, and 3-bedroom units, which are the biggest at 104 square meters. So majority of the units will be 1-bedroom units, which is at 31%. Delivering the Rockwell promise of safety and security, dedicated PMO and customer service, privacy and exclusivity, active community, accessibility and convenience, 100% backup power. Total number of residential units are 256. Set in a flourishing landscape, Nara Residences by Rockwell aims to be a home where you and your family can grow. So it's not just for single individuals. This is built for a family, and that's why they have bigger units available. So they have 3-meter high ceilings, low density floors. Rockwell will also be providing a selection of bigger and more flexible unit cuts, perfect for each type of family. Now for the building features, we have automatic fire alarm, fire detection and sprinkler systems, 100% standby emergency power, security system with electronic access control, closed circuit TV monitoring, lower ground and ground floor equipped with ventilation systems, exclusive drop-off bay, and pre-assigned parking spaces. By the way, if at any point during this video you've decided you're interested in this project and want to schedule a consultation with me, send me an email. My contact info is in the description. Located at the heart of the community is the 303 square meter Nara Residences clubhouse where life and leisure comes into play. So for the amenities, we have swimming pool in the clubhouse, gym and function room, outdoor multi-purpose court, meditation areas, fish pond, and jogging paths. So the project will have 2 swimming pools and also a gym with state-of-the-art equipment, function room for those who seek the perfect venue to host private events. So the 64 square meter function room at the clubhouse is available for you and your family to celebrate life's milestones. And there are also gardens within the development. Within the gardens, you will find a fish pond, reservoir, and meditation area. So they're part of the 80% open space. From your own little corner of peace and quiet to Sunday barbecues with your friends and family, there is definitely a place for everyone, a space for everyone to relax in. So these are all well thought out amenities for the enjoyment of each unit owner. And then there's going to be a multi-purpose court. So Nara Residences surrounds its community with lush greens, wide open spaces, and outdoor multi-purpose court provides a field for friendly competition or teaming up with new friends, whether it's shooting hoops or swinging rackets. Nara Residences outdoors can be your home court. Of course, the project will also have retail, so it will have more than its share of food and beverage establishments as well as grocery and other retail pavilions. Bacolod cuisine, after all, is known to be one of the tastiest cuisines in the country. Now let's go to the sample computation of its unit. So let's go to a studio unit of 38 square meters. Payment term is 5,590, so that means 5%, let's say the total contract price is 10 million. Equity is at 10%. So 5%, which is about 401,000, should be paid within reservation month. 2.5% is payable in 29 months, so that's 8,643 per month. And then for the bank, 90% will be 86,000 per month at 8% interest for your monthly amortization. For a one-bedroom unit with a floor area of 60 square meters, total contract price is 13 million. Equity is at 10%, 5% of 587,617, payable within a month. 2.5% is at 11,885 per month for 29 months at no interest. 90% of the total contract price can be loanable from the bank, so that will give you a monthly amortization of 118,000 for 15 years with an 8% interest per annum. Reservation fee is at 100,000. And then we have unit finish. So walls are painted finish, shower walls with homogeneous tiles, 30 by 60 all the way up to the ceiling. Countertop has solid surfaces, closets and cabinetry are laminated. Floor, living, dining, and kitchen have wood-like tiles. And for all the bedrooms, laminated wood flooring. For the toilet and bath, homogeneous tiles, 30 by 60. They have Gallego architects for the architecture and interior design by Urfe and Associates. Feng Shui is by Andy Tan. And that is it for today's Project in Focus video. If you found this video interesting, all I ask for is a subscribe. Message me for an updated inventory and price list, since prices and promos can change without prior notice.